There is no point for a mu'min to worry about tomorrow, because tomorrow is not in your hands, it's in the hands of Allah. But Allah has given you a capacity. If you don't use it, you are to blame. Allah's given you a capacity to work. Use your energy, use your effort. You have to force yourself to get out of bed, to go out and to work and to earn. Then you say, I've left the rest in the hands of Allah. I thank Allah for giving me this capacity. And I want to end this short reminder, and like I said, it's a serious reminder, by encouraging myself and yourselves to be thankful to Allah. I tell you why. لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. Allah says this to us in a beautiful way, and He has prescribed it upon those before us as well. If you are thankful, I will give you increase, abundance.